Hey there, how are you? Sometimes you need a quick and easy way to gain insights from your data. In Dynamics 365 and in model-driven Power Apps, you can leverage dashboards that can display charts and lists of records. With this, you can get an overview of what's going on in one page, and if you need to, you can set up multiple dashboards. If you hover your charts elements, you get a tooltip of extra information. And with the pie chart, you even get a nice animation to go with it. You can also expand your chart and you can ask to see the records that are supporting it. So this is a nice feature, and that's included in Dynamics 365 and model-driven apps, so it's really on you to take advantage of it. So give dashboards a try and let me know how it went for you. See you soon!